So today I want to take a look at two of those blue chip stocks that I hold in my portfolio that are on the move this morning, and that's Google and Tesla. Let's start off with Tesla. We're seeing headlines everywhere about Elon Musk buying 1 billion worth of Tesla stock. That's 2.57 million Tesla shares through a trust, paying between about 372 and $396 per share. $1 billion. This is an insane amount of money that Elon is putting into the company to try to signal to investors that he believes in Tesla and it is worth holding, showing his confidence, and it has the stock price on the move. So, as of the time that I'm recording, stock price is $418.60, up 5.72%. It's been jumping around up as high as 8%, even in the pre market. So, Tesla is one of those investments in my portfolio that is often volatile, sometimes strictly on the behavior of Elon, but the company itself has had lots of pressure, lower vehicle sales, rising competition, regulatory issues, in addition to other things like the tension between Elon and Trump. So, Musk's buy gives hope that even with the challenges, Tesla is a company that we should be holding on to for the long term. So, when it comes to Tesla, I'm looking forward to the days of the stock price hitting $500. It's an investment that's in both mine and my daughter's portfolio. I'm up 93% with an average price of just $216.57. And then when it comes to my daughter's portfolio, she was up 107% on Friday. I had just been reviewing her portfolio with her. And today she's up 118%. Now let's take a look at Google. On the day, they are up 3.53%. Current stock price $249.29. This one, I'm looking forward to a $300 share price. So, what's pushing up Google stock? There is a backlog of about $106 billion in contracts when it comes to Google Cloud. That means that deals already signed, money that will likely come in over time. About half of this, 58 billion, is expected to convert into real revenue over the next 2 years. So, when it comes to Google, they've been leaning into AI and cloud infrastructure. It's investing into those data centers, computers that support AI, and trying to build tools that more businesses want to use. So, what this means is steady growing incomes, not just from ads, but from businesses paying Google to use their cloud services and AI tools. We've seen in recent news that Google has just avoided having some of their core assets forced to be broken apart, which was a relief to investors. Basically, they were saying that they were a monopoly and needed to structure their business differently. But those court rulings are in Google's favor. So that has lowered the legal risks that they have been facing. And now more people are probably ready to invest into Google. And looking at Google's financial estimates for Q4 2025, they're estimated to be bringing in 108.5 billion, up from 99.8 billion in Q3 of 2025. On average, analysts have a high price target of $300, but I came across this article that's anticipating a move to $415 by 2030. So when it comes to Google in my portfolio, I'm currently up about 91% with an average price of $131.49. So when it comes to building my portfolio, I like to have stability from those ETFs that give me broad exposure with less risk. But incorporating those blue chip stocks like Google and Tesla have given my portfolio additional growth from the success of these companies. So I'm definitely balancing risk and reward, and it has my portfolio, my growth portfolio, which I'm doing in a taxable account, really thriving. When it comes to my retirement accounts, I don't incorporate that many individual stocks. I keep that more to funds that rebalance themselves, have steady growth, dividends rolling in, and I can definitely hold long term without having to make any adjustments. So, this news is looking good for my portfolio today. When insiders buy their own stock, it's seen as a positive signal. When it comes to Tesla, it may be short term, but it's a company that I believe in for the long term, so I'll be holding. But when it comes to Google, that seems like a much more safe, predictable bet. They have all of those cloud contracts. They're not just relying on the ads and the search features. So there's always challenges. Tesla will have to face issues related to sales, competitions, changes to EV incentives. And with things like that, we will see the share price continue to fluctuate. But that's a part of being an investor. Google potentially could have more legal issues. It needs to put a lot of money behind its AI and cloud businesses. And of course, competition is getting fierce. Others want to come in, and that could potentially put pressure on their future profits. So we will see how much of that $106 billion backlog turns into real revenue for the company. So there are so many things that impact the share price. Let me know in the comments, are you holding these two individual stocks in your portfolio, or do you just stick to ETFs? I hope you enjoyed this quick update. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all of my videos and live streams. Join channel membership and check out my referral links for brokers that I use like Moomoo. Don't forget to leave me some comments. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.